Hello everyone, in this video I will review Warmwind. Warmwind is a modern AI-powered operating system built for speed, simplicity, and productivity. It's a clean design and user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both tech-savvy users and beginners. The OS includes a built-in AI assistant that helps with daily tasks like searching files, writing emails, summarizing content, and even generating code. It runs smoothly with fast app loading and seamless multitasking. Cloud integration allows easy sync across devices, making remote work more efficient. Security features are robust, including regular updates and strong data encryption. Warmwind offers smart tools like automated reminders, voice command, and note-taking, helping users stay organized. While some minor bugs have been reported, especially during app installations, performance remains stable overall. The system feels like a blend of modern OS platforms with added AI intelligence. Voice recognition could improve in noisy environment, and a few tools still need refining. Warmwind is especially useful for professionals, students, and anyone looking to boost workflow with AI. Support services respond promptly, and the setup process is straightforward. Overall, it's a promising step toward the future of intelligent computing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.